glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a little healthy-ish samosa and I'm trying to make it gluten-free and baked as well. So there is no maida, no atta used in this recipe. I'll also share a no pre-boiled chole recipe. I know we are sometimes running short on time and still we want to make a delicious chole. I'll tell you how quickly you can make that chole even if you forgot to soak that chole overnight. So stay with me and enjoy the process. As you saw, I roasted some dried whole masalas and I have grounded them very coarsely, and in a heavy bottom pan or kadai, just add ginger and chili paste, onions, and saute them just lightly. You do not have to saute them till it becomes brown. Just keep it translucent. Add this masala and then we'll add all the mashed boiled potatoes. Try and mash the potatoes really well so that there is no big chunks left, because if there are, then there is a chance that there will be some air pockets in the samosas and it might pop in the oven while we are baking. I'll also add some freshness through coriander leaves. I just had a little, but if you have more, just go ahead and add some more. You can also add peas, paneer, maybe some corn. Choice is many. So this is the basic masala, and then you can go on adding all the vegetables or things of your choice. Now I'm making a quick chutney here. And it's a very simple recipe. Just put all the ingredients in the mixer and then just grind it coarsely. If you like super fine chutney, that's different. I like my chutneys a little chunky, and a splash of lemon gives the right amount of hint. If you have gooseberries or amla, then you can also add that instead of lemon. Now I'll quickly make the dough for the samosas, and I'll tell you how you can make a gluten-free samosa and still make it a little bit of crunchiness of the fried samosas made out of maida. Of course, gluten-free flour will crack and is difficult to handle, but the health benefits are just numerous. Rubbing the dough in between your fingers gives a very crunchy and crispy texture to the patty, and make sure that you knead the dough with warm water. Leave it to rest for 15 minutes. While that's resting, we'll quickly make our chole. And yes, it is just soaked chole in warm water an hour ago while I was preparing rest of the things. I have not even soaked the tamarind, and I'm just adding all the ingredients together, and this will make a perfect chole.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations, cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson, cause you glue all the pieces.
Whenever you're handling a gluten-free dough, just make sure that you handle very gently, and in case you see any cracking, then you can fill it with mixture of dough and water and seal it till the time the top surface is seamless. So once it's all baked, there will be a little bit of cracking here and there, but if you put a seamless surfaced samosas in the oven, so there is less chance of it falling it apart. Arrange all the samosas on a parchment lined tray and bake it at 180 degrees C for 20 minutes on one side. There is a little bit of cracking, but do not worry, they won't fall apart. Just flip it and then bake for another 10 minutes. While that's happening, I'll set my platter ready. I recently did my kitchen countertop decor, and in that video I have shared some of my favorite tips that I use while redoing my kitchen. I will leave the link of that video in the description box and in the I button above. I'll arrange everything on this wooden platter. These guilt-free samosas are ready and they taste divine. I'm going to arrange all the samosas on the same parchment paper. We all are super eager to eat these samosas. I made some plain potato filled samosas for Ishi separately.
I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow.
I mentioned before, we went to Bangalore for our personal work and we kind of extended it over weekend to make it into a staycation. At first 2 days we stayed at Zurich Hotel in Whitefield as we wanted to meet our family who stayed close by. We walked to Nexus Shantiniketan Mall to grab our dinner on one of the days.
You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others.
Next day we had our usual morning breakfast at the hotel, and thereafter for lunch my sister and brother-in-law along with my adorable nephew came to pick us up to a place called Windmill Craftworks.
You just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
This place was very chic and the food was very delicious, and we had an amazing time together.
You make me smile, what is it that you do?
After lunch, we headed to the newly opened IKEA store. I made everybody excited to see this place, but it was such a disappointment because there was a waiting time of 2.5 hours just to enter the store. So with kids around, we just kind of decided not to enter the store since it was so crowded. Later that day, we checked into a Radisson Blue Hotel on the Palace Road. And there we were searching for a good room with a good view because we wanted to stay in the room, not do much.
I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
I unpacked the clothes from suitcase, created a snack bar, added few water bottles on the side table to create a homey feel. Post coffee, we went for swimming. The pool was very beautiful, but when we came back, there was a surprise waiting for us.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
That's all for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do consider subscribing and liking this video. Try the samosa recipe and let me know in the comments. Until next time, see you. Bye-bye.